Hi guys, just a quick vid just to show you my Matrix Iron Airsoft Lee Enfield 303 No1 MK3 6mm airsoft, gas powered, gas reservoir with a 10/11 round magazine. It's very, very heavy, almost like the real thing. Adjustable sights, just for elevation. There's no windage adjustment on them. Full wood stock, metal fittings. I doubt they're steel, but I think they're really, really nice quality. Safety catch on this side. Working bolt, field strips just like the real thing, bolt out, magazine out, and then everything goes back in, just the reverse. The Lee Enfield cocks on the forward push of the bolt, exactly the same as this one. Uncocked, push, now it's cocked. Very nice gun. Brass end cap, brass ID plate, swivels front and rear. Very nice gun. I've had it out skirmishing, and I could safely say 45 to 55 yards is very accurate for it. It was shooting 300 FPS at that event, but I had a little problem with the bolt seal, which I believe is a very, very common fault. It's this seal here, and it degrades very quickly, so 9 times out of 10 you've got to replace it with a seal. I don't think they're available, but I've cobbled one together out of a piece of 10mm rubber pipe, and it seems to work okay. I believe I've pushed the FPS up now. I don't know what it is, but it's shooting a lot harder than the 300 FPS it was at the skirmish. So hopefully it'll be a lot better. But yeah, when I stripped it down, it almost strips right down to the very last penny piece, the same as an original Lee Enfield. So overall, apart from it did come in a very, very horrible burgundy stroke, orange stroke, ox blood kind of stained finish, which just had to go, and I refinished it with a couple of coats of a mahogany stain and waxed the surface of that to seal it and add a bit of a shine to it and offer it a bit more protection. So there you go, folks. Very nice gun, draws a lot of attention, and yeah, if you like the Lee Enfield, there is this option, which is a gas option, or there's I believe one developed by a firm called Shoot and Scoot, which is a spring version. So people who don't like gas have an option to go for spring, but this one is definitely, even if you've never shot it at a skirmish, this one is a definite display piece, wall hanger piece. It's just gorgeous. Okay folks, cheers for watching. Cheers now, bye bye.